This Gorilla Tape has mended a broken window so well that the temporary fix has lasted 3 years. Look at how sticky it is here, but I'm going to show you the repair we did on the window. So this is our hatch on the top of our sailboat, and it got broken several years ago, and someone suggested we get this Gorilla crystal clear tape to do a quick repair until we were in a place that we could order a replacement window. So we put it on the outside and on the inside to cover the cracks, and you can see here is just starting to peel up just a little bit on the edges, but it does keep the wind and the rain out. We've had it, like I said, on here for about um, 3 years. We've been through a lot of storms and rain and the waves coming up over our boat when we're traveling, and it just stays on there very well. Here's the inside of the same window. You can see there's a little bit of dust and dirt accumulating on the outside of the pieces of tape just from the time it's been here, but still, being in the sun and the weather, it is still on there. We spent 5 months in the heat of the Bahamas, and with the sun baking down, it didn't deteriorate the tape at all. I'm very happy with this tape. It has lasted 3 years on this one window and saved us a ton of money from not having to replace the window. It is a great item to have in your toolkit on your boat for situations like this where you might break a hatch or a porthole and not be in a place to replace the window, and you don't want the water coming into your cabin. So check the tape out. Grab the links below and remember to hit that subscribe button.